So one myth that we encounter quite a bit is, oh, I can't pressure wash my home because it's damaging and it's scary and I don't want to blow a hole in my wall or
Yeah, you hear all that. Oh, my wood's going to rot or it's never going to dry. I don't want to trap water. Sure.
and and it comes down to it. You can pressure wash your home. It's not going to hurt it. Now, if you get a little too close with a pressure washer, using one, let's say you're using your 20-degree nozzle or your 10-degree nozzle, and you get a little bit too close, you may, run into the issue of fuzzing up the wood a little bit. But, I mean, there's no harm in going back with an Osborne brush to knock that fuzz back off. And, with some of our other cleaners, and Rick can expand on it, is, wood renew, log wash, and cedar wash. Honestly, sometimes it does a little bit better with a pressure wash, don't you think, Rick?
It does, and it speeds up the process. There's nothing wrong. Sometimes, especially log wash, you can use a garden hose. But if you'll use a pressure washer and just back off and flood coat it, it's just going to speed up the process. It's going to make it just a lot, save you a lot of time for sure.
And, trust us, when you're outside in the blistering heat or you're in the blistering cold trying to wash something, depending on how your project is, the faster you can get it off the wall, the quicker you can get inside the mama and make you a nice cup of coffee or whatever you want to do,
And exactly. And a lot of people say, well, I don't want to put water on the wood or it's new wood. Why do I have to wash it? But you can go out on any moderately warm summer day, you can saturate that wood with water and it's going to be dry usually the same day. Certainly by the next day, you're dry to the touch and you're ready for the next step.
Most definitely.